to 3 inches of rain is likely with locally higher amounts possible. Despite the recent dry weather, rain rates may be high enough to result in flash flooding. Of particular concern are urban areas as well as